here with a little demo today. I'm Chad, and I'm with GluDown. Underneath both the wheels here are a pair of reveals, and we are going to roll over these suckers and see what happens. That, ladies and gentlemen, is what we call a rugged reveal. Got these two of the reveals underneath the wheels, same thing. We're gonna roll on them, see what happens. So this is the result. We got damage here, we got braking. Obviously what happens, we're in the field, we're installing these material, you guys are hitting with hammer, you want to worry about rebar dropping on it, we don't want to damage it. So my question to you, is your reveal standing up to the big wheel challenge?